Welcome! Today we're diving into a simple yet useful guide on how to disable pop-up notifications for Snapchat's silent notifications. If you find those little pop-ups distracting or just want a cleaner notification experience, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and go straight to your settings. This is where all the customization magic begins. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Apps and tap on it. This area lists all the applications installed on your device, giving you control over how they behave. Next, scroll through the list until you find Snapchat, then tap on it. You're now inside the app-specific settings where you can manage permissions, storage, and most importantly for us, notifications. Tap on Notifications to open up Snapchat's notification controls. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see an option called Notification Categories. This is where notifications are categorized by type, allowing more detailed control over what you see and how you see it. Tap on Notification Categories to proceed. Under the General section, look for Silent Notifications. These are notifications that typically don't make a sound or appear as a pop-up by default, but sometimes settings can cause them to show up when you don't want them to. Tap on Silent Notifications to adjust these specific settings. Here's the key step. Find the toggle labeled Show as Pop-up and turn it off. This simple action prevents Snapchat's silent notifications from interrupting you with pop-up alerts while still allowing them to appear quietly in your notification shade. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can enjoy a quieter, less intrusive Snapchat experience without missing out on important alerts. This update makes it easier than ever to control how your notifications behave. So take advantage of it and tailor your phone exactly how you like. Thanks for watching.